Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Virgos. We are picking few cards, guys, and I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy, Virgos. So if you are interested, you can watch it, guys. So this card is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. And I have picked few cards for your general energy, Virgo. So let's start with the general energy first. So we have 7 of Suns, 8 of Suns, and 9 of Moons in reverse. So with these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So in your situation, guys, maybe you are facing lot of struggles, stress. You are working really hard to overcome all those stressful situations, and it is something like climbing a huge hill or a mountain. You are putting in lot of efforts, working with so much concentration. So, and you are quite ambitious. You have high aspirations and goals for yourself, and you are struggling. And maybe because of the way you are working today, that concentration, that work ethics, and that efforts that you are putting in today, you are having a great advantage over others, and you have better chances to reach success, guys. So if the situation is something in your personal life, maybe luck is also going to help you today, guys. You are going to feel lucky, and you're going to be appreciated for what you are doing for this person you love. Or maybe by the way you are, maybe the way you are talking or the way you are behaving with this person, they are simply going to fall in love with you. So they like the way you are, guys, Virgos. And you are going to feel get lucky. Maybe if you are interested in someone, this person is going to come by themselves and going to propose to you, guys, even before you going and asking them. And in your situation, guys, Virgos, you are progressing in a positive way. Maybe you are facing some struggles, but still you have a positive progress in life, and maybe you are celebrating, meeting with friends or family, or taking part in some dinner party, something. You are spending time with someone you love, and you are really happy for it, guys. And you are someone who is what to say, who is very honest, and you are very dedicated and devoted. Maybe that is the reason this person loves you and they are coming to propose to you, or this may be their energy. You are you see this person as someone honest and truthful. That is the reason you are going to propose to them, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Virgos. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. The completed world. So with this card, guys, I see that you are having that sense of completion in your situation. You feel really complete with this person, happy, that emotional satisfaction, contentment is there in your situation. And maybe you see this happiness as something destined in your life, or this happiness or this completion is unfolding at the right time, guys. Maybe for some of you, I see that it is destiny, that is bringing about these positive changes in your life, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Page of Suns. So with this card in your career situation, guys, there is something waiting for you guys, something marvelous waiting to present itself before you, and something wonderful is going to happen. Maybe someone from your work, they simply admire you, and they are crazily inspired by you, and they consider you as their greatest inspiration or influence. And maybe they are speaking honeyed words, and you should be careful, guys, because in truth they are simply happy for what is happening at the present. But these words they speak, you should not be carried away by those words. You should remain humble. That is what is going to take you to that distance, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Virgos. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So if you have any questions or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes and meditate with these crystals. So whichever crystal comes to you first after you open your eyes, you can choose the card. So that reading may resonate, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. Let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep this card aside. So let's see what it is. Water and salt. Truth. So with this card, guys, the reading for you all in your situation today, maybe you are speaking the truth, or someone is speaking the plain truth without any without any cover up. They are not masking their truth, speaking the plain truth. And you, maybe it is you or it is your person, and you feel really stressed because of that, because for most of us, we are unable to digest the truth, because a truth is always bitter. And maybe this person is honest, they have honest and truthful intentions towards us. That is the reason they are saying a few things, but we are unable to digest it. This may be your energy, or this person you're in a relationship with, it may be their energy, guys. So maybe today you may feel stressed or worried, or this person speaking truth, they may face a lot of anger from the other person. So for speaking truth, they may not be valued, they may even be punished. But in the long term, this truth will just prove itself, guys. So you need to understand that today. So being honest, maybe face to face, just saying what we feel right and what is the truth in any circumstance. Maybe today it may not be taken well by the people around us, but in time it will prove right, and they will understand your worth, and they will understand the worth of your love. And the present discomfort will be worth it when they understand why you spoke those words. So this may be your energy, or this person you're love with, their energy, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties because of those honest words you have spoken today, but you need not worry. your truth will win, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who have chosen the second card, the Frog Prince, intimacy. So sometimes in life, we are afraid to let that other person see us totally, what we are emotionally and what we are psychologically. So we are avoiding some people, avoiding someone. Maybe they have true love towards us and they have truthful intentions towards us and they love us a lot, they like us a lot, but we are afraid to go close to them because we have some past fears or something is obstructing the way we are today. But we need to understand that only when you let that other person see what we are truthfully in our heart of hearts, you will be able to build that strong foundation for a beautiful relationship. So maybe you are keeping someone at a distance and you are trying to avoid them. Maybe you like them, but you have some kind of fear or something is blocking you in this relationship. Maybe it is time you share your feelings, spend time with this person, have that affection, bring that affection, grow that affection, and bring that closeness in this connection, guys, and build openness, having that open heart to heart communication. That is what is going to help you today to build a meaningful, intimate and a beautiful relationship with the other person. So you need to let go of your fears or whatever, maybe some ideals you may have, or the way of life, some ideas about the way of life, whatever you have, some kind of a possessive attitude, whatever it is, you need to let go of that today, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.